big shout out to Mel, the one that's behind the camera, because this is like the 20th time we've rehearsed this this episode that we're trying to do. So big shout out to her. But as you know, this is your boy Junior from Junior's Paint House. So what we have here, guys, is a 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. So another shout out to my guy Damien out of Houston, Texas. He brought it in to get this car basically get it restored. It's actually, as you can see, it's in good shape. It's not a whole lot, really. It's all original. It's a beautiful car. He actually got it from an older woman, real good price, well taken care of, as you can see it. Now basically, once, of course, the car has been reworked before. It definitely has a few little paint issues. As far as paint is splitting up, I don't know if that's just due to them possibly having applied too much paint on it. But if you want to zoom in, as you can see, I know it's kind of hard to see, guys, because it's white. So, but it does have a lot of, like, the paint's kind of popping, it's splitting up. Paint, you know, got a little, just got a lot of little defects paint wise, you know, a lot of cosmetic stuff. So I don't see any type of major rust. But this vehicle, what we are going to do is we are going to get this car sandblasted. So that's going to be the best way to do this, because first of all, you don't want to spend a whole lot of time being a car of this size. It would take you forever. So I got my guy Ron coming in. He's going to sandblast it, get all the paint completely stripped off this vehicle, take it down to bare metal. We're going to start over from scratch, make sure we eliminate any bondage that it might have, any paint, completely get everything off of it. And then from there, we'll get some etching primer or epoxy primer on it. Then we'll start our body work on it. So, but like I said, guys, overall, it's a very clean car. Like I said, it has, you know, just little minor little rust issues. I think this is just a lot of surface rust. It's nothing crazy, but until that sandblasting gets a hold of it, that's whenever we're gonna be able to really identify how much work we're really gonna have to put into it. So, but as far as the color that we're gonna do on this car is gonna be a white pearl, but we're actually using House of Color products on this one. So it's gonna be a white base. It's gonna be I'm not sure exactly the color code. I'll give you that information when we get closer to, you know, to the paint process. So I'm gonna do my best, guys, to show you what I do when I do restorations. I want to try to do a step-by-step, try to walk you guys through what I do to get the type of jobs that I do, as far as the clean, you know, paint jobs, the body, products that I use, the guns, you know, everything. Try to do it step-by-step as best as I can. And I'm going to try to do this into probably a 5 to 6 episode, or like a series. Comment below if that's something that you guys would like to see more of, because I'm planning on taking other projects that are going to be big projects. So if that's something that you guys really enjoy watching, then definitely leave your feedback, and it's going to be something that I want to do a lot more for you guys. So, because at the end of the day, I do this for you. So overall, guys, what do y'all think? What y'all think about the car? What do y'all think about the color? It's going to be, like I said, it's going to be a white diamond pearl, but it's going to be a House of Color products. And I think that's pretty much it on this car. So what else can I say? So overall, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, share. It's your boy Junior. See you next time.